Namaste, my name is Sai Sanvi. I am from 4th C. Today I am going to explain social houses then and now. In introduction, thousands of years ago, the people used to walk one place to another place in search of food, and they also live in caves. I am going to discuss about. I am going to tell how different houses. Wait a minute. In India, houses will be most made up of bricks, cement, wood, and etc. Some houses may have 10 rooms, while some houses may have only one room. Slums have usually one room. Some houses may be single story, or some houses may be double story or multi-story. Why do people live in different kinds of houses? People live in different kinds of houses because some houses may be too costly, or some houses may be too big, or some houses may be too small, some houses and etc. Some people live in big houses, but they want to live in small houses. Some people live in like this big houses, but they want to live like this in small houses. Why? Because in this big houses there will be many rooms. So they cannot get together because there will be many rooms. The people will do what work they want in one room. If there was a small house, there will be one room. In that one room only they can be together. That is the reason. Now I am going to tell houses in villages then and now. Houses in villages then mean the past, now mean the present situation. Houses in villages then past would be mostly made up of mostly we can see the huts. The huts are made up of mud, dry grass. The upper part is made up of bamboos and dry grass. This is the upper part. There would be no separate rooms. There will be only one room for sleeping and cooking. There will be no bathroom, so they will bath outside the house. The floor is made up of mud, and the floor will be coated with mud and cow dung. The floor will be coated with mud and cow dung. These people who lives in these houses will be badly affected by the heavy rainfall or the storms. Maybe the houses will be leaking, or the walls will be falling down. Now I am going to tell now in the villages. Now in the villages they are mostly made up of bricks. Some houses may have some rooms, 2 rooms for cooking, sleeping, for cooking and bathing. Some houses sometimes the walls will be whitewashed. Most people in the villages come to cities for the work. These people will get better money from work where the people do in the villages. Through some houses have changed, we still see huts made of mud in villages. Now also we can see in villages very least houses made up of mud, dry grass and etc. This is the example of an hut. You can see. This is the example of a big house. For till our chapter is closed. Thank you. Thank you.